Make.com has a powerful WordPress module that lets you automate posts, users, comments, WooCommerce orders, and more. Setup takes 5 to 10 minutes. 1. Prepare WordPress. Install the free plugin Application Passwords built into WP 5.6 Plus or JWT Authentication for WP REST API, or create a dedicated user plus application password, recommended and easiest. Users, add new, create user, for example, make bot, role, editor or administrator, users, profile, scroll to application passwords, name it, make.com, generate, copy the 24-character password, you won't see it again. 2. Connect in make.com, log in to make.com, create new scenario, add first module, search WordPress. Choose action, for example, create a post, watch posts, create product. Click Add Connection. Choose WordPress with application password. Fill site URL, yourdomain.com. Username, make bot or any user. Application. Password. Paste the 24-character code. Test connection. Success. Done. You can now trigger or automate anything in WordPress, post on new order, notify Slack on comment, sync WooCommerce to Google Sheets, etc.